Subscribe Shubham Raj Singh and Co YouTube channel and press that bell icon and never miss an update. Hello 7.8 billion people of this beautiful planet Earth. How you all doing today? I hope you all are doing great. So welcome back to my YouTube channel Shubham Raj Singh and Co. So today we're going to see how you can add reCAPTCHA to your own website which you created with WordPress or maybe with other CMS platform or maybe with custom code. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first you need a website. So we already created a website in our previous video. If you have not watched that video, I will be giving an information tab over here. Go watch that video first to know how you can create your first ever website on within like 10 minutes. So let's get started. So first you have to go to recap reCAPTCHA website, or you can search for reCAPTCHA on Google. And the first it's reCAPTCHA. What I entered, it's reCAPTCHA. So you have to go on the first website, that is reCAPTCHA Google. So you can see there are like three tab over here. Go to admin console, and here you can see that I already have two website added here with this account. So I will be blurring one website and showing you one website, which is shubhamrajsingh.com. Okay, so basically both of this website use reCAPTCHA in order to avoid and block spams and spams in comment section and on the website in a whole. Okay, so you can see that this website, shubhamrajsingh.com, attempted total request is 26 and the suspicious request is 65% within 7 days. Okay, if I do it all 90 days, so you can see that the total request is 295 and the suspicious request is 23%. Show overall traffic, you can see it. Basically it gives an immune to your website, so your website automatically knows which is actually a suspicious request and they are going to spam in the comment section or something like that. They will block the action automatically. So that's for that purpose reCAPTCHA is used. The other purpose is also for the bot thing, if you know that there are many bot online and they can come to your website and they can write a comment, they can visit 3 pages of your website and much more. So it will help you to log those suspicious requests basically. So let's get started by adding the website which we created earlier, that is shubhamrajsingh.co.tk. So if you have I hope that you have watched the video how we created shubhamrajsingh.co.tk. Just copy the website URL. Okay, you can see it here, create. Just click on it, enter label as it is. Okay, use a label that will make it easy for you to identify the site in the future. So basically it's a kind of name given to your website. So I will just copy paste the URL, or to be more precise I will just I will just remove the protocols and the slash. And you do have two options. Choose the type of reCAPTCHA for this site key. A site key only works with a single reCAPTCHA site type. See site text for model. Okay, basically I will not go in that. So basically reCAPTCHA version 3, verify request with a score. Okay, so it automatically calculate a score on the request received. So it will automatically calculate the score, and according to it, if the score is very high, a kind of very suspicious, they will not allow the request. If the request is kind of normal, on average, it will allow the request. So basically, I am using reCAPTCHA version 3 on my shubhamrajsingh.com. Okay, and for the reCAPTCHA version 2 is when you verify a challenge. For example, click that you are not a bot, something I am not a bot. Take the images of fire hydrant, images of signal light, traffic lights, images of bicycle, images of whatever car, bus. So that's all come under reCAPTCHA. So inside reCAPTCHA you have three options. The first is, as I told you, I am not a robot checkbox. Validate request with the I am not a robot checkbox. Invisible reCAPTCHA badge to validate request in the background. reCAPTCHA Android validate request in your Android app. So if you are going with reCAPTCHA version 2, just go with I am not a robot thing. Okay. Or if you are going with version 3, you don't have to select any sub option. Just select the reCAPTCHA version 3 and proceed. So I will proceed with reCAPTCHA version 3. So here you have to enter domain name. So I will enter my domain name, that is shubhamrajsingh.co.tk. Your email address, who is the owner. If someone else is also the owner of a particular website, enter their email address as well. Okay, and after that just accept the reCAPTCHA terms of services. You can read whole terms and services. I will not. Send alert to the owner. Forward. Get label. Okay. Send alert to owner. Like if Google detects something unusual, it will automatically send a data to you. Alert to the owner. So yeah, send alert to the owner. And after once you're done with each and everything, label, reCAPTCHA type, domains, owner, and the terms and conditions, just click on submit. So the following domain is invalid. Will not require host and host into any protocol. Okay, so remember, don't include any protocol or slash. Okay, just enter the domain as it is. For example, shubhamrajsingh.co.tk, shubhamrajsingh.com, something.com, your domain name.com. Don't use https or http or slash protocol. Okay, remember that. So once again, submit. And okay, so here it is. Here is the my site key and the secret key. Okay, so basically you have to copy paste this captcha and use it into your what we can say, onto your website. Okay, so I'll show you that in a next video. For today, that's it. So that's how you get site key and the secret key. So for example, once you got all this information, you can integrate into contact form 7. You can integrate into your comment section. You can integrate everywhere. Okay, this basically will protect your whole website from people spamming and or the bots spamming on your website. So I hope that you like this video and you now understand how you can get the site key and the secret key for the reCAPTCHA, and we will see how you can uh, add reCAPTCHA to your website basically with the different plugins in the next video or maybe in a future video. So make sure to like, share, subscribe and comment, and take care. Bye bye.